Tired of commercial shampoos? Go natural. Do you ever read the ingredient list on your shampoo bottle? It's full of long, complicated words. Many commercial shampoos have harsh chemicals. These chemicals can strip away your hair's natural oils. This leaves your hair dry, brittle, and lifeless. But there's good news. You can make your own natural shampoo at home. It's easy, affordable, and best of all, it's good for your hair and scalp. This DIY shampoo uses simple ingredients. It gently cleanses your hair. It also leaves it feeling soft, silky, and shiny. Ready to say goodbye to harsh chemicals? Let's get started on your journey to naturally beautiful hair. Nature's bounty ingredients for your DIY shampoo. Making your own shampoo at home is not only fun, but also allows you to control what goes into your hair care products. You only need a few simple ingredients to make your own shampoo. These ingredients are natural, effective, and easy to find. You can find most of these at your local grocery store or health food store. Here's what you'll need to get started on your DIY shampoo journey. Castile soap. This is a gentle, plant-based soap that cleanses your hair without stripping its natural oils. It's a great base for your shampoo. Apple cider vinegar. This helps to balance the pH of your scalp, leaving your hair shiny and manageable. It also helps to remove any residue. Aloe vera gel. This soothes and moisturizes your scalp, reducing dryness and itchiness. It's perfect for maintaining a healthy scalp. Essential oils, optional. These add a lovely scent to your shampoo and can also provide additional benefits for your hair and scalp. Choose your favorite scent for a personalized touch. That's it. Just a few simple ingredients are all you need to create a natural shampoo that will leave your hair feeling healthy and beautiful. Enjoy the process and the results. Crafting your own shampoo, a step-by-step guide. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a perfect blend for your hair. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get to making the shampoo. Gather everything you need and set up your workspace. Don't worry, it's super easy. This is a fun and simple DIY project that anyone can do at home. Combine the ingredients. In a clean bottle, combine half a cup of Castile soap. This will be the base of your shampoo. Add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This ingredient helps balance the pH of your scalp and adds shine to your hair. Next, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. Add essential oils, optional. If you're using essential oils, add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite scent. These oils not only add fragrance but also have beneficial properties for your hair. Lavender and rosemary are great choices for their hair-loving properties. They can help with hair growth and scalp health. Shake well, secure the lid tightly, and shake the bottle well to combine all the ingredients. Your shampoo is ready. Make sure everything is mixed thoroughly. That's all there is to it. You've made your own natural shampoo with just a few simple ingredients. You now have a bottle of natural, homemade shampoo that's ready to use. Enjoy the benefits of a chemical-free hair care routine. Remember to shake the bottle well before each use, as the ingredients may settle. This ensures you get the best results every time. The goodness of nature. Benefits of each ingredient. Let's take a closer look at why these ingredients are so beneficial for your hair. Each one brings its own unique set of benefits that contribute to the overall health and beauty of your hair. Castile soap. This gentle soap is derived from olive oil and other plant-based oils. It's known for its mildness and effectiveness. It effectively cleanses your hair and scalp without stripping away natural oils, leaving your hair soft, manageable, and healthy-looking. Apple cider vinegar. Known for its clarifying properties, this ingredient is a powerhouse for hair care. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH of your scalp, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy scalp environment. It removes product buildup and leaves your hair shiny, smooth, and full of life. Aloe vera gel. This soothing ingredient is a natural moisturizer that hydrates your scalp deeply, reducing dryness, itchiness, and flakiness. It's perfect for those with sensitive or dry scalps. It also helps to condition your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and more manageable. Essential oils. Besides adding a beautiful aroma to your shampoo, these oils have therapeutic benefits. Essential oils like lavender and rosemary can promote hair growth, improve circulation, and soothe the scalp. They also add a natural shine to your hair, making it look vibrant and healthy. By using these natural ingredients, you are embracing a holistic approach to hair care. You're giving your hair the best nature has to offer, ensuring it stays healthy, shiny, and vibrant. Promoting healthy, shiny, and vibrant locks has never been easier with these natural ingredients. Embrace the natural shine. Your hair will thank you. Switching to a natural homemade shampoo is one of the best things you can do for your hair. It's free from harsh chemicals, good for the environment, and best of all, it leaves your hair feeling healthy, soft, and shiny. Are you ready to embrace the natural beauty of your hair? Try this simple DIY shampoo recipe today. You might be surprised at how much your hair loves it. We'd love to hear about your experience. Share your results in the comments below and let us know how this natural shampoo worked for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and DIY projects. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update.